Fox News with the Wrap International on the COVID-19 and where we stand. 5 days to go before we head to the polls. 73 million people have already cast their vote. Supreme Court's not stopping Pennsylvania from accepting mail-in ballots after the polls close there. At least for right now, that's how that stands there in Pennsylvania, which of course is a key state. Here's Fox's Jared Halpern.
The Supreme Court denied Pennsylvania Republicans' request for a fast-track review of the state's Supreme Court ruling that ballots received 3 days after the election must be counted. It's the second time in as many weeks the U.S. Supreme Court refused to block the extension. But in a statement, Justice Samuel Alito, joined by Justices Clarence Thomas and Neil Gorsuch, suggest a ruling on ballots received in the mail after polls close could be challenged after the election. The court's newest justice, Amy Coney Barrett, did not take part in the consideration or decision. Jared Halpern, Fox News.
FBI issued a warning yesterday that cyber criminals are set to launch a wave of ransomware attacks on the U.S. healthcare system, which could hurt patient care. The attacks are aimed at locking up hospital information systems to make them inaccessible and then demanding money to release them. Associated Press cited independent security experts is saying at least 5 U.S. hospitals have been attacked this week alone, and hundreds more could potentially be targeted in the attacks by a Russian-speaking criminal gang.
This is the News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Daily Rewind with Ron C.